Everything's different today. What's happening, Paige? Great question. Well, lots of things are different in this video than in all of my previous videos. First of all, it's evening time and I'm having a glass of wine. So this could go one of two ways. This could be really fun and uber creative and just like off the wall, or it's sloppy. And well, we're gonna aim for the former. I'm literally like, I've only had like half, it was up to here before and now it's here. I'm fine, you guys, okay? Don't get worried about me. The other thing that's different today is that it is nighttime, so I'm not using natural light. I'm actually using my Diva ring light today. If you wanna purchase the Diva ring light because you see how gorgeous it makes me, the link is in the description below. Go to that link and buy it on Amazon. You know, if you haven't been here before, welcome. You know, we're all just hanging around, having some wine, enjoying each other's company. Me and my camera, best friends forever. Today, I'm talking about viral videos. There's a lot of talk about viral videos and people wanting to make stuff go viral, and it's like this big goal to have something that has like 2 million views and you know what? Awesome, congratulations. If that is the only thing you've ever accomplished in your life, well, that just makes me sad. Ah! It is fun, this Diva light, you guys. You gotta get one of these. I'm a little shiny. I'm not a makeup vlogger, okay? I don't do makeup tutorials. I am just like a girl with a camera and a light and a laptop and just a little bit of Pinot Noir. So you're aiming for a huge number of views, you wanna get a viral video, something that a lot of people see. There is value in doing that. If you get a video that gets a lot of traction or has something interesting in it that people wanna see, there are agencies and companies that will buy that video from you and give you money for it, and they then own all the rights to that video. So like, they can do whatever they want with it, you know, you sign all these contracts. You can make some money off of a viral video. When we talk about it in terms of marketing, however, having a viral video is not always the best goal to have, because what we see is there's a huge spike in views or subscribers or shares or whatever. There's a huge spike in engagement and then it tapers off really quickly. So if you have a viral video and you're not able to sustain that level of engagement, well then what's the point? You know, you're not able to hold on to that audience. And the whole thing about marketing is being able to slowly, gradually over time, build a tribe that is dedicated to you and is loyal to you and will buy whatever you're selling. I'm so much better, like after a couple sips of wine. I'm crushing this. I'm on a roll, you guys. That being said, there are certain elements of things that make a video go viral that you can bring into your own marketing videos to give yourself a somewhat like viral push, not necessarily something that's like zoop and then broop. So let's talk about some of those elements. The first element of a viral video generally is something that people have never seen before. This is brand new, it's like out of the ordinary, it's not typical, it's like something exciting, something new, because we're all just drowning in a sea of video content every day, and it's, you know, you're competing against a lot of other video content when you want to get someone to watch your video. So in order to do that, you want to give people something they've never seen before. Now, how can you do that? Well, let's take a tip from viral videos and combine two things that are unusual to be together. So an example is a pizza and a rat. Hey, remember that viral video? Pizza rat. Introducing our new best rodent friend. Whatever happened to Pizza Rat? We should make like a VH1 behind the music, or you know, one of those like 60 minutes, like what happened to Pizza Rat? Oh well, he's living in a jar at the end of a railroad track right now, eating his last pepperoni. Oh God, I'm not funny. Another example is a cat playing piano. Those are two things that don't usually go together, but when we see them, we love them and they go viral. They get a lot of views. So think about two things that are within the realm of your business and your brand and what you talk about that you could put together that don't necessarily go together all the time. So for example, I mean, I've always had ideas, but like one of my ideas is a banana phone where I answer video questions. Hello? She's not here right now. Can I take a message? So I'm actually like putting out content and value, but I'm doing it in the form of like a weird phone that's an actual banana, which is just like kind of comedic and weird, right? Another thing is like, I thought of having Monster answer video questions or Monster review videos and tell people, you know, how they can make their videos better. So that's two things that don't necessarily go together that I think people would really enjoy and want to watch. Now I get stopped on, I have so many ideas, I need to focus on a couple at a time. So I'm not able to produce all of those at the moment, but one day, you never know. I have a friend who's a total marketing genius. His name is Jeremy Goldman, and he came up with this idea that we actually like beta tested for a little while called Shots in the Dark, which was a talk show where we sit in a studio and chat with a marketing expert, a marketing guru, and we take shots and in a dimly lit studio. So it's like a drinking game and you're also taking shots and like you're also talking about business and marketing. So you're combining things that don't necessarily go together like marketing and alcohol. And you're making it into a show, something that people will want to engage with because it's new. Another aspect of a viral video is that it is incredibly shareable. That's what makes it go viral. It's not just like you putting out a video to your whatever like 1,000 Facebook friends. It's you putting out a video to your 1,000 Facebook friends and like 10% of those people putting out that video to all of their Facebook friends, and then it spreads like a virus. Like it's actually a terrible name for a video because it's like, you know, as easily as a video could go viral, we could have a pandemic on our hands. Video pandemica. So make your video fun, make it shareable, make it content that is just gonna be easily digested by people and easily shared by people. And the last thing about viral videos is that they tend to have a pretty strong watch time, which means that people watch these videos like all the way to the end, which these days is pretty rare. So in order to create something that could potentially go, you know, your definition of viral, you have to make it something that people will watch the entire time. So if you are dragging things out or making it really boring and slow, that is not gonna accomplish anything. To make a video that like gets a lot of views, gets a lot of shares, and gets a lot of likes is like people watching it to the end, clicking that share button, and then it's spreading to the rest of the world. So a way that you can do that is to promise something at the end. Say, stay tuned till the end and you'll see this. You know those videos that say like, wait till you see the end, and it's like text on the top? Now, I think that can be like a little bit tacky if you're doing that for your marketing, or like a little bit clickbait. But if you can have an element kind of like that, where you say, you know, I'm counting down my top 5 things that I'm gonna do, you know, while juggling and, you know, eating cheese doodles. Love cheese doodles. Counting down my top 5, and number 1 is all the way at the end. Well, that's a great marketing tactic that you can use to help people watch all the way to the end of your videos. And the last thing I'll say about viral videos is make it visual. Everything about viral videos is we watch them because they're in video form, we share them because they're in video form. So if it's just you sitting at a computer, your webcam or your camera, talking to it the whole time, I can't promise you it's like not gonna go viral, but it probably won't go viral because it's just like not that visual, right? So bring visual elements into it. You can either do that during the shooting part of it, or you can do it during the editing part, adding graphics and text and, you know, moving the screen up and down or whatever. But make it like work with your content Don't just put in visual stuff because you want to put in visual stuff. Like, make it aligned with what you're talking about and, you know, go along with all of that. Those are my tips for if you want to make a viral video, or like a viral by your own terms video. If you want to get a video that has like a spike in engagement, those are some of the ways that you can do that. And again, remember, our goal is not to have millions of views on these videos, but if you can create a video that has a good spike in views because you got a little bit creative with the content, well then just keep rolling on that and keep playing with that and seeing what else you can create on top of it, so that you can actually build it into your marketing strategy rather than it being a total accident like most viral videos are. Cool? Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Paige Drinks Wine and Talks to Herself. I actually think I got a lot of good things. I said a lot of good things today. So you know what? Pat me on the back. I'm proud of myself. And make a comment. Let me know. Do you have a viral video? Share it. Link it below in the comments. And I want to see. I want to see what you did and how you did it and what was fun about it and all that stuff. So share it. Okay? And if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the place to subscribe. Just click that red subscribe button. And I put out videos every week. So I'll see you next week. Bye.